Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Adam Berry and also known as the Gym Starter. I nearly always forget that. And today I'm going to tell you how to do a dumbbell fly. So the dumbbell fly is an awesome exercise, very much for the upper back. We're targeting all of these muscles here across the upper back. And you're going to need obviously some dumbbells, which I've already made up. Now, with a lot of back work, it's really important that we're going to be working on what we call our hip hinge. And that means that the hips are going backwards and we're finding a crease into the body. Now, I want you to imagine you have a massive button right behind you and you're trying to push that button in with your butt. And as you can see, my shorts are nice and tight, my glutes are loaded, my hips are loaded, and that therefore makes my back nice and straight. I'm not an upright angle like this because that creates a lot of tension here. And I'm getting a big posterior tilt, and then I'm also not rounding over like so in the upper back. I'm just creating a nice, steady, creased, kind of Z shape. That's what we're after. And then you're going to grab your dumbbells, and you're going to squeeze your abs as hard as you can. You're going to squeeze your glutes as much as you can too. And with a slightly bent arm, we're going to come up like so. And as we do that, we're going to squeeze our shoulder blades together as much as possible. Really squeezing those shoulder blades. Just here. Let me show you the front angle. You just want to bring the dumbbells up until they're kind of level with the shoulder to about there, with a very slight bend in the elbow. You don't want to be at a lockout. Slight bend in the elbow. And I like to keep my wrists nice and relaxed, slightly tilted in, but that's personal. And another thing you need to make sure you do is keep an eye on your neck angle. So I'm keeping my head very on top of my vertebrae here, in line with my hips. You could almost put a broom handle all the way down, it wouldn't fall off, as we kind of don't want to see a lot of wrenching up. We don't want to see too much of a chin into your chest. Right, that's it from me today. I hope that all makes sense. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Peace, love and protein. High vibes and positive vibes.